Number 1. The Language of Chemistry, ICSE Class 9 Chemistry, Detailed Notes. 1. Symbols of elements. Each element is represented by a symbol, generally derived from its English or Latin name. The first letter is always capitalized, and if there's a second letter, it is lowercase. Element, symbol, Latin name. Hydrogen, H. Oxygen, O. Sodium, natrium, iron, A. Ferrum. Potassium, K. Kalium, copper, Cu, cuprum. 2. Chemical formula represents the number and kinds of atoms in a molecule. It is constructed using element symbols and their valencies. Examples: water, H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen plus 1 of oxygen. Carbon dioxide, CO2, 1 atom of carbon plus 2 of oxygen. Calcium chloride, CaCl2, Ca valency 2, Cl valency 1-2. Valency is the combining capacity of an atom. It is determined by the number of electrons an atom can donate, accept, or share. Element valency, H1O2N3C4 NaCl1. 4. Radicals. A radical is a group of atoms that behaves as a single unit and carries a charge. Radicals may be positive cations or negative anions. Common radicals. Name symbol valency, N-arloxy. Hydroxide, OH1. Nitrate, NO3, 1. Sulfate, SO-sochromin, 2. Carbonate, CO3 fluorinium. Ammonium, NH-sharp 1. 5. Chemical equations. A chemical equation represents a chemical reaction using symbols and formulas. Example: 2H2 plus O2, right arrow 2H2O. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. 6. Balancing chemical equations. According to the law of conservation of mass, matter can neither be created nor destroyed. So, the number of atoms of each element must be the same on both sides of a chemical equation. Steps to balance. 1. Write the unbalanced equation. 2. Count atoms on both sides. 3. Use coefficients to balance each atom. 4. Check the total again. 7. Molecular mass. Molecular mass equals sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a molecule. Examples: H2O equals 2 times 1 plus 116 equals 18 U quinol. CO2 is 1 times 12 plus 16 is 44 U's. 114 plus 3 times 1 equals 17 U. 8. Atomic mass is the mass of one atom, expressed in atomic mass units, AMU or U, based on carbon-12 standard, where 1 U equals 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon-12. 9. Mole concept. Mole is the SI unit for amount of substance. 1 mole contains 6.0